Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make something really special for Christmas. Just regular cake, but it's going to have like a special look and a special taste. So today I'm going to show you how to make a checkered Christmas cake slice. Yes. So if you're going to do this, what I decided to do was to make like a red velvet cake and a vanilla cake that I colored green. And if you don't want to like make two different cake batters, you can as well make a vanilla cake batter and then divide into two and color a part green as well as a part red, and that's something you can easily do. So all you have to do is put the red on top of the green, or put the green on top of the red, and put some cream in between. You can use buttercream, or you can use whipped cream, or you can use some chocolate ganache. Okay, so what you want to do is divide that square you have into 4 parts. The reason why you want to divide it into 4 parts because you're going to like superposition it, so that way like the green will be on top and then red green, kind of something like that. I don't know if that makes sense. Okay, so and you want to put some cream on top because that's what you want to stick to the board, and we're going to turn it upside down. Okay, so what you want to do is cut into 4 different parts. Yes, and then that 4 different parts, we're going to stick it all together, but we're going to superimpose it. That way we're going to have a green. For example, I'm going to turn this one upside down, so that way we have the red facing up. And then the 4th one, I'm going to also turn it upside down. That way we have the red facing up again. Okay, so what you want to do is take the 2nd cake and then turn it upside down. The 2nd slice, as well as the 4th slice, you turn it upside down. So you have 2 green slices facing up and then 2 red slices as well facing up. That way it's going to form like the checkered pattern you want. Okay, so now we have a part that has buttercream on top of it, so don't bother about that because that's the part that is going to stick to the board, and we're going to turn it upside down. The reason why you need the cream is because that cream is going to stick to the board. If there's no cream on it, it's going to be moving around, and that's not what you want. It's going to make your work messy and stuff. So but before we turn it upside down, we're going to like clean it up first so it won't look very messy. So we're going to clean up the sides, like just cut out the excess or any part sticking out. That way your checkered cake looks more uniform and it looks very neat. And guess who's going to eat that excess part? Me. Okay, so after you've turned it upside down, you want to make sure your board and your workspace is clean because that's very important. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is take some buttercream and then stick the parts you put together. I don't know if that makes sense to you guys. The reason why you're sticking that part together is because you don't want to be cutting it and then it will be shifting or separating. So just put a little buttercream or whipped cream, whatever medium you're using, and then stick it together. And then you're going to do that for every layer of the cake. So you're going to do that for about 3 parts, so like every part of it can stick together. Okay, so I kind of made a little mess sticking it together, like some parts were no longer even. So if you're going to do this, make sure like you trim it after sticking the different sides together, because that way you waste more cake and you don't want to waste your cake. Okay, so once you're sure you've trimmed it and everything is neat, I want to clean the top too, because like they are like kind of different smears of cake on top of it because of the moving around and stuff. So you want to cut out, like just use your serrated knife to like trim the top so it can be well and neatly done, so like the colors can really pop up and stuff. So now I'm going to show you guys how to slice it, and you can see how pretty it is inside. Okay, so all you have to do is use a knife and slice it. And don't be like me. I was supposed to freeze this or refrigerate it for about 30 minutes. That way when you make slices, the slices are neater and sharper, but I didn't have that much time because I was in a hurry. So if you're going to do this, once you're done with the cake, put in the fridge for about 30 minutes or in the freezer for about 10 minutes, and your slices are going to be way neater than mine. And it was so delicious because it was like a red velvet cake and a vanilla cake that was green, and I had so much fun making this, and it was so easy. Imagine making this for your friends or for your customers this Christmas. So thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.